Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Discord account with your token. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So first thing you have to do is go to discord.com, and from here, click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on that and look for more tools, and then tap on developer tools, this one. Just tap on that, and after that this will appear. So just go to local storage and tap on Discord URL, this one. Now scroll down and type in this blank area. So just type in the token, and after that on the right side put a quotation mark and then go ahead and paste your token link. And make sure to add a quotation mark at the very end of the link. After doing that, click on Ctrl W on your keyboard or just simply tap on this to refresh the page. And there you go, you have successfully logged into your Discord account using Token. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!